just building up
Oh, yes.
to the grand finale.
Oh, yes.
But I don't want to miss out. I want to live in the glory of God. So for 7 days we will live in this glory. The glory of God is everywhere where we go. The Bible says, verse 17, the sight of the glory of the Lord was like a consuming fire on top of the mountain in the eyes of the children of Israel. You see, for your enemies, the fire, the glory will be a consuming fire. Now, when I talk about your enemies, I'm talking about demonic powers. I'm talking about evil spirits that wants to destroy your life. When they look at you, they see the glory of God.
Oh, yes.
Did you know demons are more afraid of you